Here is a glimpse of how students of Ryan Kundhanalli have progressed in their innovation robotics and programming journey with YuviPep. With an investment of just 1 hour per week, with YuviPep's research and development professionals, students are confidently developing abilities to master the art of early innovation and skill building.
Here's my presentation. I made a small Angry Birds game like this. So let me explain the code detailedly. This basically says that we are adding the slingshot bird and the boxes. So basically we are adding these three things to the canvas. So that's the code and this is the game. Thank you.
So this is already made river water checker. However, I would like to improve this model by adding few ways through which it can move around. So this could be done by adding a propeller behind. So they are powered by solar energy, and they also have a rainy day battery. So if there are days where the sun is covered, they could go on. So first, is there a signal is received from the authorities? If it is a yes, then they will start the tilt sensors. So what are the tilt sensors? They are mainly to check if this sensor gets upturned by any other animal or by any weather changes. So if it gets tilted, then we can send an alert to the authorities. If it is not, then we can go on with the process.
These mats can be there in gym where people are jogging, walking to burn out some calories for their own good. And there is a sensor where you jog on the treadmill or on a mat. It generates electricity with that you can use to charge up electrical devices like iPads, phones, and cameras. The piezoelectric sensor converts mechanical energy from the human foot to electrical voltage by the sensor. When the mechanical pressure is applied to the sensor, electrical charges accumulated on the crystal surface that can be extracted using a wire, and then you can put it in a battery, and then you can put the battery on whatever device you want. So when you step on the mat, it goes down and bounces back up, meaning there's springs under it. There's around 4. Like when you step on this, the light glows, as you can see over here. All of this piezoelectrical sensors are connected together, used by a resistor to control the flow, and then this wire connects to a battery.
So I've used 5 photoresistors, 5 resistors. This is the multimeter, this is the microserver, this is the Arduino board, and jumper wires. So first, let me show you the output, and then I'll go to the code and the connection. So as you can see, if this photoresistor gets more sunlight, the microserver is facing towards that side. And then if this gets more sunlight, you can see it's changing the direction according to the sunlight received by the photoresistors.
Come and experience STEM-based practical learning, fun and innovative learning environment to nurture creativity. Become a future innovator. YuviPep, powering innovation.